Hello everyone, welcome to How To With You, the best place for your no BS crypto tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to buy NFTs on the opensea.io exchange. So first thing you're going to want to do is go over to the right hand side of your screen and click on Profile. Connect whatever wallet you have. I have MetaMask, so I'll be clicking on that. And once that is all set, it should bring you to your profile page and it's going to just show you all the NFTs that you own. Let's go ahead onto the main page and just explore some of the features OpenSea has to offer. This Explore tab right here just categorizes each NFT by category. You have collectibles, music, sports, utility. Let's click on music. And then if you click on this, it should bring you to the main page and it shows you all the trending collections and music NFTs. This just kind of gives you a little description. Heading on over to the next feature, we have stats. This is a pretty neat feature. It shows you all the top NFTs on OpenSea ranked by volume, floor price, and other statistics. And I didn't really know what floor price really meant when I first started, so I'm just going to go over that. What it basically means is just the cheapest NFT you could buy in that collection. So if you wanted to buy an Azuki NFT, you'd have to pay at least 3.89 Ethereum, which is about $12,000 at the time of recording this video. And then you have owners and items. This just means how many items are in the collection and how many owners actually own those items. So the ratio for people owning an item is about 2 to 1. So every owner owns about 2 items on average. Then you have here your little cool filters you could play around with. Then you have a resource tab where you could go here to learn more about opensea.io. You could check out their partners, their blogs, their newsletter. Then you have your create tab. This is just for if you want to create NFTs. Then you have your wallet icon, which just shows you your total balance in your account. I have $115, hardly enough money to buy an NFT. So, you know about all the features now. Let's go search up an NFT. Pretty sure we all know about Bored Ape Yacht Club, and as you can see, there it is. It's verified 10,000 items. And beware of these scam collections. Do not fall for this. As you can see, Bored Punk Yacht Club, 812 items, 1 item, 15 items. They're just trying to scam newbie investors who are not really sure if that's the actual collection. And then after you click on NFT, it will bring you to this main page. They have a description right here about what their collection is about. They usually have like a website or a Discord, which I highly suggest you check out and do your own research before buying any type of NFT. So scrolling down here, you can see all the different NFTs the collection has. What I like to do is I like to go to filter, buy now, set my price low to high. So automatically the cheapest one will pop up right here. And what do you know, 84.99 Ethereum, the cheapest NFT in this collection, which is priced around $202,000, which is insane. So say I want to buy this, you go ahead and click buy now, confirm checkout, and it's pretty self-explanatory from there. But before you do that, I would highly suggest that you scroll down and check out these other features. Right here you have one of the main features is properties. So what this is basically shows you the different properties of your NFT. And usually the more rare your NFT is, the more money it will be worth. So as you see, it says 12% of NFTs have this blue background, 7% of NFTs have their eyes closed, 6% of NFTs have tan fur, 2% of NFTs have this hat, and 5% of the NFTs have this mouth. And the lower these percentages are, the rarer your NFT is, and it should be worth more, theoretically. Scrolling down here, if you were to make an offer on this NFT, it would show up right here. Right here, just a list of the item activity, what people are doing it. As you can see, if you scroll down all the way down here, you could see that 7 months ago, this NFT was sold for 1 Ethereum, 2 Ethereum, which is insane. You could have bought this for less than $10,000 and it's now worth $200,000. This really goes to show you can make a lot of money with NFTs if you know what you're doing. So, with that being said, that should be everything you need to buy your first NFT. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you very much.